Next Saturday, April the 11th, join me in Ottawa and learn how to hear and trust your inner guidance. Because isn't trust the hardest part? You get signs all the time, or aren't you noticing them? Well, we'll talk about what to look for so you no longer miss them. You get guidance all the time, but you either don't hear it or you can't tell the difference between true guidance or, am I just making this up? What if it's not guidance? What if I'm wrong? What if I do the wrong thing? That's why you're always asking your friends for advice, and then you're still not sure because you're not sure if you can trust it. So you're no farther ahead. We're going to talk about that too. How to tell the difference so you know the difference and you can confidently take the next step toward what you want and who you want to be and who you already are. And I'll lead you through two practices, a meditation and some journaling prompts. So you get soul guidance right then and there. You have an experience of what your inner guidance really feels like so you can trust it every time it happens. And it happens a lot. And you'll discover how to call on your guidance whenever you're unsure. Keep practicing these tools and watch your life change. No more struggle, doubt, or confusion. You are heart led, soul aligned, living on purpose and with purpose. Why? Because your soul, your inner guide, knows who you really are. It knows all you're capable of, all you really want, and all the ways you hold yourself back. You're greater than you think you are. Your soul knows the way. Your time is now. Join me in Ottawa for What Does Your Soul Want You to Know? An in person meditation and journaling workshop next Saturday, April the 11th in Ottawa. Details and registration are below.